Welcome to our video review of the top vacuum cleaners on the market. Today, we will be discussing the best vacuum cleaner for 2023. Each of these vacuums offers unique features and benefits, making them some of the best options for keeping your home clean and tidy. Let's take a closer look at each one. Kenmore Elite 81714. This bagged canister vacuum is designed to clean all areas and surfaces of your home quickly and efficiently. It comes with multiple attachments, including a pet power mate for lifting stubborn pet hair, and an ultra-plush nozzle for a deeper clean. The enhanced HEPA filter system traps 99.7% of debris, making it perfect for those with allergies. With a 2-motor system, an exclusive stair grip, and a telescoping aluminum wand, this vacuum is easy to maneuver and use. Miele Blizzard CX1. This German-engineered bagless canister vacuum is ideal for homes with hard floors and low-pile carpeting. With 4 suction power settings, vortex technology, and a hygiene lifetime filter, this vacuum is sure to capture all the dust and dirt. The Click to Open hygienic emptying feature makes it easy to dispose of the dustbin without creating a cloud of fine dust. It also comes with a variety of accessories, including a combination floor head, dusting brush, crevice tool, and upholstery tool. Ecozy Robot Vacuum. This self-empty robot vacuum is perfect for those who want to forget about vacuuming for 45 days. It empties itself into the clean base automatic dirt disposal with enclosed bags, and is super quiet while running. With a powerful suction of 3,000 pascals, this vacuum can pick up large debris, small debris, and pet hair. The ultra-slim design allows it to fit under tight spaces, and it has 3 cleaning modes for sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping. Belife Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This cordless vacuum cleaner offers 25 kilopascals of powerful suction and a 40 minutes long runtime. It can be switched between 3 modes: economic, standard, and strong. The touchscreen LED control panel makes it easy to adjust the vacuum power and see the status of your vacuum cleaner. It also has a 380W brushless digital motor and motorized brush head for powerful cleaning.
The Eureka NEU 182B is a powerful and versatile vacuum cleaner perfect for your whole home cleaning. Its dynamic motor and brush roll easily lift stubborn debris, while the 12.6-inch wide nozzle allows for quick cleaning. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver with 5 height adjustments for various floor surfaces. It also has an extra-large 2.6L capacity dust cup and comes with multiple accessories for hard-to-reach areas. Get the Eureka NEU 182B for a cleaner home with less effort.
In conclusion, these vacuums are some of the best options on the market for keeping your home clean and tidy. Whether you're looking for a traditional vacuum, a robot vacuum, or a cordless vacuum, there's a vacuum cleaner out there that will meet your needs. We hope this video has helped you find the right vacuum cleaner for your home. Click the link in description to experience the product. Thanks for watching.